back to my channel. My name is Metro Nicole, and today's video is another reset motivation. And I'm starting in the bedroom. I'm just getting my bed together, putting away some loose items, getting some clothes hung up. I don't know about you, every time when I go to try to find something to wear for the day, I pull out several different things, and that's just what happened on that day. I decided to go ahead and put it back up the same day. Usually I let it linger around for a few days, and I'm just going to separate my laundry. I recently started doing this where I separate my laundry in two piles. One pile is all clothing items that I'm not going to dry. They will be hung dry after they're finished. This prevents me from going through my laundry to figure out what I'm going to dry, what I'm not going to dry. And then the second pile of clothes that I wash are all of my clothing that I'm going to put straight in the dryer. So that's just another little laundry tip for yourself. It just kind of saves the process for me because I've been having a habit of when I go to take things out of the washer to the dryer, I'm drying things that I did not want to be dried. And you know, certain clothing, if you dry it one time, it shrinks, or there's just, you know, there's a different vibe to the clothing. So I decided to do it this way, and so far it's been working out perfect. And I feel like every day I'm always doing some type of load of laundry, either my clothes or my daughters need to wash clothes, or as towels we do wash on a week, like several days throughout the week, probably 2 or 3 days a week. We go through a lot of towels and wash-offs, so I definitely try to get that done. And here I'm just using a Swiffer cloth to collect some dust. As you can see, this is dusty. Before I use some type of window cleaner, I am trying to get in a habit of dusting a little bit more often. That's something I definitely felt like I lacked in my old place, and I just feel like since I've been doing this, my allergies haven't been as bad at home. And once I get done with cleaning my room, I always like to light a candle. And here I'm just going into the loft and just vacuuming. I had already straightened up the day before, so there wasn't much needed. And then we're going to go into my bathroom. Now today I decided to kind of do a deep clean in here, and I want to kind of give you several tips to help you. And the first thing is go ahead and clear everything out of the shower. I'm also washing the shower curtain, my rug, and my hand cloth. Go ahead, and I like to go ahead and vacuum or sweep after I pulled up the rugs. And again, going back to your first tip is just to clear out everything. Clear off your counters and clear off the shower, and you're gonna go ahead and start cleaning from top to bottom. So wipe your light bulb fixtures down, light bulbs when they're shut off, and then wipe your entire mirror down. And then I'm starting with a disinfectant. I can't shake it, but I love Clorox disinfectant. And then I'm gonna use soft scrub with that. The Clorox spray on the back says to let it sit for 10 minutes and go from there. And one thing I stopped using for the sinks is a powder. I stick with only liquid cleaners because I was noticing some of the chalking around the sinks, it was kind of like coming loose or coming apart, so I didn't know if it was really part of the Ajax or the Comet I was doing. And then I was noticing when I did the Ajax, it was kind of leaving somewhat of a blue stain. And as you can see, most of my videos show that I scrub a lot, so I don't know how it was leaving a blue stain, so I decided to opt out from using any powders. And also I was noticing the powder was getting stuck in the crevices of the cabinets, so now I only use liquid cleaners, and that combination that I showed you smelled amazing. I do want to invest into a steamer one day, and also I seen one of those small power tools from Target, so maybe next month I'll go ahead and do that. And here I'm just scrubbing down the toilet with the same products, getting everything nice and scrubbed, using my Clorox toilet cleaner. And anytime I use the toilet, I do like to get a new fiber cloth. That just helps to wipe everything down and clean up some of the suds or whatnot. I try my best to leave the toilet cleaner in there for like 10 minutes or so. And also, it's a good reminder is to go ahead and clean the toilet paper holder is that collects dust, etc. So here I'm just scrubbing down the shower. For the shower, I like to scrub the bottom of the floor first. This is a texture shower, so I want to get in the habit of cleaning that more often throughout the week, because to me it just kind of can collect stains more frequently. And eventually I want to dabble into some natural cleaners, so I did buy this stuff to do some of the DIY cleaners, and I'll try to do a video on that in a couple of weeks or next week. I haven't decided. And what motivated me is because one of my daughters, she doesn't like a lot of cleaning products. I keep a lot of stuff simple when she has to clean the bathroom or wipe the counters. So I want to kind of test out some of the more natural side to see how well it cleans and see how well she can tolerate the smell. And then I did get a new shower head for this shower. I'm not sure if I like it just yet. I wanted that rain effect shower head, and I don't know. Now this Zep phone cleaner is okay. I like it or not, or a few weeks per se. So when it comes to mopping in here, I just wanted to keep it very simple. I'm just using this mop. I did the pink floor solution. Actually, I really like that cleaner, and I added some Fabuloso. This is not a high traffic area, so I didn't feel the need that I needed to scrub it today or scrub it or use my old cedar mop. I just got some water, added that cleaner, and that was it. I was going to the store later, so that's kind of a reason why I didn't change out my clothes. I usually, when I do a deep clean, I just kind of pace myself. I didn't even notice I left my watch on, but I was just like, I'm trying to get this done before I get back. So here I'm just kind of showing you guys me just winding down for the day. This is a typical day for me on cleaning. I'm just trying to show you guys it is doable to clean certain things. You just sometimes have to pace yourself and figure out a game system, have a system going that can work for you. And this is something else I wanted to share with you guys. If you're a content creator, I think my camera ended up getting out of focus because of the stuff I have in the background. So I'm still learning different things that I need to focus on when I'm filming, because I want to be more efficient and I want my videos to get better each time. So I'm kind of showing you, letting this play out so you can kind of learn from my mistakes. Try to not have too much going on in the back, because the camera kind of can get blurry in focus, because I do need to get better at learning the different settings on my camera so this doesn't happen. I just didn't want to cut the footage completely out. But towards the beginning of the week, what I try to do is set out what bills, what I need to put in my savings or different savings account, and then also content that I need to film for the week. I'm really trying to focus on like realistic stuff that I do throughout the day. I'm trying to do more longer form videos on Sundays, as you can see. But throughout the week, it's going to be shorts. I love to do the shorts. I feel like they're so much easier to edit. I did film another video where I was going to post today, but I just didn't like it. I don't know. It was just something about it I did not like. So I ended up was like, okay, I'll just wait for another day that I have to do whatever, and that's the video you're watching. I was like, okay, today I need to do my room, I need to do laundry, I need to deep clean my bathroom, I need to do this, and I filmed that. So don't feel like you just have to record to record. Definitely enjoy what you're recording and then enjoy what you're putting out. I just want to encourage you, especially if you're looking to do YouTube or you're currently a YouTube creator, as honestly, if I hadn't had anything else to record, I probably wouldn't put out anything today. It just would have been probably maybe another short, because I am right now doing 3 shorts a week and I'm trying to get better. I would like to do where I do 1 short every day. But by the end of this night, I had a headache. I was like, I am done thinking. And I'm like, I'm going to watch TV. So I ended up started watching this new Hulu show called High Potential. It's about a single mom who's a cleaning lady, and she helps out the police department solve crimes. So I thought it was pretty cool. So that's how my day went. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Okay, talk to you guys later. Bye.